traders, good afternoon. We are 21 the trading session today. Here, Monday. There is a good pattern 26 in HDFC Limited, not HDFC Bank. It's HDFC Limited. First, we'll see what's the triangle descending triangle pattern. In descending triangle pattern, see when you go here, there will be a support. There will be a downward moving resistance. Stocks come from downward movement. It breaks the crucial resistance, goes upwards, takes huge seller rejection, and then move bit downwards, touches the support line. It becomes a support. Resistance here becomes the support, and then buyers come in here. They'll start moving the price up. They'll see buyers want to, sellers want to start shorting again. They'll come at a very early price. They'll come short it here. The price action grows like this and forms into a triangle pattern. Descending triangle pattern will be forming like this. By joining this one, we will form a descending. These many ups and downs will not be there. I am showing you for the pictorial purposes only. There will be only A point, B, C, and D point. When this breaks the descending triangle, obviously there is a higher probability of moving upside only. When we consider upside, when see, let's assume this should be our last point. It breaks the triangle, goes up, again comes down and takes the support at the triangle base, and then starts moving, forming higher highs and moving upwards. This is the triangle pattern we are seeing. We have found out this same triangle pattern here, same triangle pattern here. Okay, see, let it be. We have seen the same triangle pattern here. It came, suppose it has taken a back here, it became the resistance here. Can you see? Like, I'll zoom it up. See, let's wait. See, here I'll close all the volume and everything. You see here. See, the price came here. The price came. It became a resistance. Then it took a pullback here. This is the pullback. This is the pullback and the last swing below this resistance point. With a great volume, it has broken the resistance and again has taken a pullback. See, this is another pullback, took support here on the resistance and it has moved higher. Then sellers shorted here, the price came down, and again the price has shot up. Sellers came into the picture, they again shorted. This has been a long consolidation here. Price has consolidated, came down, touched the support. The resistance became the support, and it has touched the support. The price has moved again. Sellers, rather than here, rather than waiting up till here, sellers came early. Sellers came early, and they have shorted here. This is showing good momentum. This has shown already a fake breakout here. People who have traded here got into huge losses. It has gone short again. Sellers were more stronger here, and we are waiting for this pattern to form. Not like this, but we are waiting for this pattern to form, and it will break out here. takes the support and then may starts making higher highs. This is the pattern. This is a what I want to tell you. This is the pattern here. Here, if we see our risk reward ratio, wait a minute. Okay, risk reward ratio. You can see take the long position, put down somewhere here, put your stop loss below the last swing under the resistance. The last swing under the resistance might be here. See here. This is the last below the last resistance. It will be here. We will place a stop loss there. We have an initial target of this one. This will be our initial target. This will be our initial target, and this will be our second target. This will be our second target. Okay, this is the trade I want to suggest. This will be our initial target. This is 8%, and from then this will be a good swing trade. You can take it for a swing positional trade. You can go for HDFC futures, HDFC limited futures, or you can take a delivery position in the equity also. Yes, traders, this is the today's swing trade. Thank you. Trade well, earn well.